In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace the line on your leaf mulcher or shredder, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and you told yourself it's a leaf day, or at least you thought. You started throwing leaves in your mulcher, but nothing was happening. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. And this technique is gonna work for most leaf mulchers or shredders. The first thing that we wanna do is go ahead and disconnect the machine, because the last thing you want is to die on leaf day or be injured and still have to pick up the leaves tomorrow, because you know your spouse, friend, or family member is not going to let you forget about that. The second thing that we want to do is go ahead and remove the funnel dispenser cover at the top. You're able to reach the line leaving this part in, but you know, here at the StatUpBox team, easy and simple is our motto, and we do that by removing both clamps on each side. As you can see, the old line is almost missing. It went for a break and never came back. You can do this with your hands, but to make life a lot easier, we're gonna use needle nose pliers. And what we do is pull from the sides to get the line out from the exit hole. Once we remove it from one side, we can go ahead and do the next one. And when both lines are out, we can go ahead and just pull it from the side. And now that you saw half of a video to see how to take out a line, we can go ahead and do the next one. We're gonna remember to use proper form, stretch a couple of times, flex our muscles, and look good for the camera. Now that we have a clean slate to work with, we're ready to install the new line. You can either use the pre-cut line that comes with the machine, or that you can order, links in the description, or you can make your own line. At the end of the day, it is just thin weed eater line that you can get at your local hardware store or online. A pro tip, what we like to do is save one of the pre-cut lines or either the measurement of it, so like that we know how long we need our new DIY line. And basically what you do is measure it against the original line and cut. But let's say you don't have one of the original lines, then if we measure it with a tape measure, it's about 13 inches. Anything under that would be good. So now that your mind is filled with measurements, numbers, dimensions, square roots, and you feel that you're back in school, we're ready to install the new line. We're basically gonna use the same technique, reverse engineer our way to freedom, and attack this one by one. First, we insert it sideways through the hole. Then we make sure that we have the same amount on both sides. Then we unite them like lovebirds that are doomed to be together. I mean, that are so lucky to be together and happy, and insert it through the exit hole. We give it a little snug and make sure that it's tight. We go ahead and repeat this to the other side as well. Another way of installing is, if you don't have a measuring tape, you can insert a line and then cut afterwards. Just make sure that it doesn't hit the outer wall of the leaf shredder. Now we're ready to install our funnel dispenser cover top part made of name that we gave it. If you notice, there's a notch both at the top and the bottom. We align that, insert it, and clamp it on both sides. Now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You can get back to work now and show those leaves who's their enemy. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.